Hi guys, Terry here. I wanted to do a follow-up video on the Close to My Heart Slimline celebration set that they recently came out with. It cuts a shape like this, so it's in the size of a Slimline card, which fits in a business envelope. So it had these two dies, that's what caught my attention. And I wanted to show you the cards that the kit made. So it came with some wonderful stamp sets. I really had not read what these stamps said on them, but let me show you what they say. Let me hold them on something white. There we go. So it just has the cutest expressions. A little bit older and a lot more fabulous. I can't believe how lucky I am to have a friend like you. You mean a lot to me. Thanks for everything. This isn't just a thank you card. It's a hug with a fold in the middle. Thinking of you always makes my day. Impressive, but not surprising. Congratulations. And then there was two stamp sets in the pack. A very extra big thanks. One day a year isn't enough to celebrate someone as special as you. We may live far apart, but you're always in my heart. Thank you, 8 little letters, 1 little space. I can't read this one. 8 little letters, 1 little space, tell you the reason for the smile on my face. I want you to know that for all that you do, I sincerely appreciate, love, and thank you. Some things just get better with age, and you are definitely one of them. So, beautiful stamp sets. And then the rest of them, there was a stamp set that makes the fishies. And then there was another stamp set that made these little critters. The cards took a while to put together because there was a lot of layers. And this, you punch this out of different colors and then you can fill in the holes. So there's little gnomes. And all these stamps came with it. Here's some more critters. Here's more fishies. I like this one. It's nice and simple. Just put this on the background. I stamped a couple bubbles on it. Too cute. And then this last little gnome. Gnome one. So see how the circles are filled in with just another, you cut it once with the pink and then cut it again with white. And then you've got all those little pieces to mix and match. So, really cute cards. I think it's really unique that these cards are Slimline. So, I'll look on their website. I don't sell Close to My Heart. But I think it was called Slimline Celebration. I'll look and see if it's still available. I just wanted to follow up and show you that I made the cards. Here's some pieces and parts that are left over. I'll put those in a little baggie and have them on my desk to use to sprinkle on some cards. So the instructions were pretty good. It had good pictures of them. I'll just show you the stamp sets. There's the gnomes. Oh, and it came with the dies too. Came with coordinating dies, and I think the other thing that I liked was the dies came on a magnet. So not all companies do that. So I like that the dies were included. Well, I mean, if you bought them, they came in a separate bag, and then you can just store them with your shapes. But I like that they included the magnet so those pieces don't get lost. There's the critters, and then here's the fishies. So, like I said, it was so nice that not all companies include the magnet, so I was impressed with that. So, like I said, if I can find this still on their site, I'll put the numbers and the links to the products. So try to find someone close to you in your area that sells Close to My Heart and give them the sales credit if you don't have a representative. And thank you for watching.